The Pyle PMX8BU wireless DJ mixer offers 3 independent channels that make blending multiple music sources feel smooth and controlled for beginners and casual performers alike. Built-in wireless connectivity lets you stream tracks from modern devices without extra cables, so it is easy to integrate phones, tablets, and computers into your set. Dual switchable phono and line inputs mean you can hook up turntables alongside digital players, giving this compact unit surprising flexibility for small parties or practice setups. The dedicated microphone inputs with separate gain and talkover controls work well for karaoke, announcements, and hosts who need their voice to sit clearly over the music. A front panel headphone connection with its own volume and cue selection makes it straightforward to preview tracks and line up transitions before the crowd hears them. The inclusion of a USB media reader and simple master outputs turns this lightweight mixer into an all-in-one hub for basic recording, home DJ rigs, and portable sound systems.